Hi guys, let's prepare some delicious, well prepared gizzard stew today. Yes, and if you ever thought gizzard stew was very difficult to make, then I'm here to break the news to you that you can prepare it in a very simple way and have it very delicious. Now as you can see, I'm starting with my spices to spice the gizzard, and you saw earlier I'm displaying the spices I'm using. This is salt that I'm going to add to it and mix it very well. I'm going to give this a very good stir. Mix it so good that I will leave it to marinate for just about 15 minutes because you have just left some time to prepare it. But before I do that, I'll add some onions to it. Yes, some people like to prepare this with a lot of water to make it very tender, but I'm going to prepare it with just some less water because I'll still get it very tender. Now this is the ingredients or the vegetables we'll be using, and as you have here is some tomatoes, some pepper, some carrots, some onion, and some red bell pepper. I didn't have green pepper, so I'm going to blend the pepper and the tomatoes together and some onions. And I've had here some also tomato paste. Yes, so our marination is over and I'm going to put this on fire. And as you can see, we have it here, very soft, very nice, delicious, and I bet you love it. I have some little stock there to use, so I'll set that aside and then I'll fry my gizzard. I'm going to fry this very tender, and to do that, I'm not going to fry it dry. Okay, so at the end of the day, you see that I have it I don't have it too brownish, so you can decide to do yours very brown or leave it as I did mine. Guys, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? Please subscribe and watch so many amazing videos I have out there. Yeah, amazing. You can try the recipe and trust me, it is no joke. You will enjoy every bit of it. Yeah, well, I'm going to continue to prepare my stew. So here I added some salt and some aniseed or star seed you can find here. Then I add some bay leaf and mix it. Trust me, at this point the flavor, find this three combo, the flavor was just magical. Yes, anyway, I'll go ahead and add some tomato paste to it and I'll give this a very good stir. So sometimes, it's not actually sometimes, when you want to get your tomato paste very smooth for the stew as a base, you can actually add some water to it. Some people also add the stock to it at this point, but I try to add the water to it. So what I'll do is to rinse my tin and then add the water to it and get it a very smooth texture. This flavor is so magical. I just couldn't get enough of it, and I love every bit of it. Guys, you can prepare this gizzard stew anytime, anywhere, and then keep it in your freezers and use it anytime you wish to have it. I'm going to fry this for some few minutes and leave it on fire for some time, and when we are back, I'll go ahead and add my tomato paste, the blended tomatoes and pepper paste to it. So let's watch how it goes. As you have it here, I've just finished adding it to it, and I'm going to give this a very good mix. You have to mix this very well so that when you allow it to fry, you can fry every part of it. So I mix it so well to make sure that the tomatoes, the pepper, the oil are well incorporated and are all mixed together. So after I'm done mixing, I'm going to cover it up and allow it to boil or to fry for about 15 minutes. We are back and you can see the oil floating on top of it. This is a sign that we are on the right path. Yes, when you have your oil floating on top, it means that, guy, your stew is almost ready and it's well cooked. Yes, so I'm going to go ahead and add the stock that I had in. This is the same stock I said some will add it in the beginning of the sauce, so it's actually a skill. It's cooking skill. You can actually have it in a way, either the beginning or later on. I'm going to go ahead and add my spices. I added my curry, my rosemary, my shrimp powder, and my seasoning cube. Guys, I always say this: if you have not started adding fish powder or shrimp powder to your stews, you are missing out. You are missing out. They are game changers. I'm going to cover this and leave it. And now, to those who ask how I get my rice very grainy and all of that, this is exactly what I do. After washing my rice, I add some little water to it, add some little oil, add my salt, and voila, I cover it up, allow it to do its thing, and I'm done. Yes, that's exactly how I do it. Some people, I think, will allow the water to boil, then add the rice to it. No, I stopped that years ago. I don't know how, I just stopped it years ago. Whether it's local rice or foreign rice, this is how I cook it, and I always get it the way. Well, our stew is ready. It's almost ready, so I go ahead and add my fried gizzard. This gizzard doesn't look so fried because, you know, it's so tender. So I added to it, and I'm going to mix it and allow it to do its magic whilst I add some carrots, some onion, and some pepper to it. I didn't have green bell pepper like I explained earlier on, so I substituted with this bakposhito, leaving its flavor. Whoa, bakposhito, the flavor it gives you in the stew. Jai krana. Oh, you are missing out, guys. All it needs here is some pinch of salt, and we are good to go. My stew is actually ready, and I can't wait for the rice to be ready to serve it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my video. Please comment. Please guys, please. Yes, please, I'm pleading with you, please. Anyway, thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for subscribing and always checking out my videos. I really appreciated you. I really appreciate it. I think my rice is ready, so I'm going to go ahead and serve this, and you can actually have this stew with anything, with a kinke, banku, plantain, anything. And it was so good. I enjoyed it, and I love every bit of it. You know me now, I'm not going to cap about this. It was really nice. I really yearn for more as I'm even showing you this. Yes, I want more. I enjoyed it. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for subscribing. Continue to watch my videos, and thank you. Have a great, wonderful weekend. Bye.